Yeah, if y'all watched one of my other videos where I was doing experimenting on homemade ultrasonic cleaner solutions, I'm using the last solution, and that was Mr. Clean, some acetone, some uh, Dawn dish detergent, water, and one other thing that I can't think of right now. But if you watched my video, you'll know what I'm talking about. The cleaning solution left a film on this movement, and it doesn't do it on every movement. There must have been something inside this movement that caused this film, but I buffed it out on this part right here, and as you can see, it looks really good. And all I'm using to buff it out is just a Dremel with a buffing pad on it. So it doesn't take a lot of time to do that. It just a pain in the butt to do it. It doesn't take a lot of time with a Dremel, that is. If I had to do this by hand, then yeah, it would take a little bit of time. And my buffing pad is getting damaged from hitting all the parts, so I'm going to have to put a different pad on. But anyway, I'm going to finish cleaning up this movement from all this film on it, and we'll get back to you.